Dear students, now we move on to next question. So, which is the question asked in March 2016 for 4 marks question. Here the question you can see on the screen. Prove that, again I am going to read row wise, prove that 1, 1, 1, A, B, C, A cube, B cube, C cube is equal to A minus B, B minus C, C minus A plus B plus C. This is the proof you have to go for it. Now, so of course in the JEE mains or entrance exam point of view, we can solve this problem easily by using factor theorem. So that will come to know, we'll study in later classes when you are dealing with the JEE mains classes and all competitive exam coaching classes. Now, let me solve this question for you in the annual exam point of view. Even I'll try to solve this one by the second method also. The first method, you see that. Now this is the left hand side. I've written 1, 1, 1, A, B, C, A cube, B cube, C cube. Here, see the answer. A minus B, B minus C, C minus A plus B plus C. That means here in RHS having 4 factors, out of 4 minimum, at least 2 should come as a common factor. Don't get tempted here. Look here, you look at the elements, immediately 1, 1, 1. In first row, you take C1 minus C2, C2 minus C3. Don't try to make the elements immediately 0. First, I am going for at least minimum 2 or 3. In RHS, look at the factors. At least the first 3 factors must come as a common factor. So then how they it come? Therefore, I'll go like this. Here only see that. That means I'll go for the operation C1 minus C2, because C1 minus C2 means you'll get A minus B and A cube minus B cube. So here there is a chance of getting A minus B. Here A cube minus B cube means A minus B also will get. Next I'll go for C2 minus C3. C2 minus C3 also I'll go. That means here, come on, taking C1 minus C2, C2 minus C3. How many columns are there? C1, C2, C3. Here in the surgery first position, C1 is visible, cancel that C1. In the surgery second surgery, C2 is visible, cancel C2. Therefore, C3 is unchanged. 1 C cube. That is 1 C cube. This is unchanged. Finished. Now, C1 minus C2 you do it and result to be entered at, you have to write the result in C1. That means definitely C1 is going to change. So, new C1 can be obtained by doing the surgery C1 minus C2 on this body. Okay, C1 minus C2. Result has to be written 1 minus 1, 0. A minus B, 0. A cube minus B cube formula already applied here. A minus B into A square plus AB plus B square. That is finished. Next, second surgery. C2 minus C3, but result has to be entered in C2. Yes, that is new C2 will be formed by doing the surgery C2 minus C3 on this body. Now, 1 minus 1, 0. In second column only you are writing B minus C. Here, B cube minus C cube, I have written the formula B minus C into B square plus BC plus C square. My dear students, here you see that in the first column, here, A minus B is common factor. In the second column, B minus C common factor. First, I'll take A minus B in the first column. From C1, I'll take 0. A minus B, I've taken common factor 1. Here, next, what is left? A square plus AB plus B square, because A minus B, I've taken common factor. In second column, B minus C, I've taken common factor. B minus means 0. I've written here 0. B minus C, I've taken common factor means 1. And here, B minus C, I've taken common factor. What is left? B square plus BC plus C square. And third column remains same. Now, so directly no need, don't go for any operations. I am expanding along R1. I'm expanding along R1. So plus, minus, and plus. So directly expanding along third column, expanding along, expanding along first row. This is expanding along first row, R1. Expanding along first row. Expanding along first row. Come on, LHS, plus 0, no use, minus 0. And A minus B into B minus C, already factors they come. And plus 1 into this. B square plus BC plus C square minus A square plus AB plus B square. A minus B into B minus C, already in the as a common factor we got it. Here you see that C square minus A square I have written after that. And here I think B square get cancelled. And what is left now? BC minus AB. So in the BC minus AB, here also I have taken B common factor, therefore C minus A. C square minus A square I have written C minus A into C plus A. In that C minus A I have taken common factor, therefore here C plus A. Here C minus A I have taken common factor B, therefore A minus B, B minus C, C minus A into A plus B plus C. We got the answer. So here C square minus, I'll explain this part here. Here I've written this part is C minus A into C plus A, plus here I've taken C common factor, therefore it is, B common factor, I've taken B common factor, therefore it is C minus A. Now C minus A I've taken common factor, therefore C plus A plus B will get here. So therefore the RHS is A minus B into B minus C into C minus A into A plus B plus C is RHS. So thank you, dear students. Please make a note of this problem.